Hello guys, Max the Youngster here, and today I'm going to be opening a few just single packs I got from Target. So we have two Furious Fists and two Phantom Forces. Alright, so I'm just going to start with the older set first, the Furious Fist. I am almost done collecting this set. I'm just missing some reverse hollows and some regular rare cards. So hopefully I'll pull a rare that I don't currently have in a single pack. And if I don't, oh well, I'm still happy to have duplicates if that's the case. Go. Card there. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we're working with. So, first card is a Conjure, Eevee, Skorupi, Drowsy, Bellsprout, Dedenne, I think that's how you say it, Dedenne, Mountain Ring, Weeping Bell, Hit Reverse Pikachu, and wow, a Lucario EX. That's nice. Oh, cool. This is the first EX I think I opened on here. So that's pretty cool. Cool. And that's the Ultra Hollow, right? I mean, Ultra Rare. Sorry, Ultra Rare. So that's pretty cool to have. Nice. So first pack is a EX card, Lucario. Okay. Next pack. I always hate these things. I guess. Alright, here we go. Another Furious Fist pack. Let's open this up. That's nice that I pulled a Lucario EX. That makes getting these packs really worth it. Let's see. Maybe we'll get the luck twice. I don't know. If I can open this pack. Jeez. There. All right. 1, 2, 3. There we go. All right. There we go. Got another Conjure, Eevee, Skorupi, Drowsy, Bellsprout. Is that exactly the same order? Maybe it's just me. Dedenne, Mountain Ring. Is this like Weeping Bell? Reverse Pikachu? That's deja vu right there. And Aurorus Rare. That is exactly the same pack that I just pulled, except for the rare card. That is exactly the same. That is exactly that's crazy. That's exactly the same Reverse Pikachu. Reverse Pikachu. Oh my god, that was exactly the same pack. The same cards, just a different rare. That's ridiculous, Nintendo. That's all kinds of crazy. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, so we're moving on to Phantom Forces. Open that up there. Get the pack out. Okay, that's really funny. Okay, Phantom Forces. What is the odds of that happening? Okay. Wow. Okay, so here we go. We got Chansey. Okay, Chansey, Venonat, Frillish, Roggenrola, Skarmory versus Seeker, Loudred, Hand Scope, Target Whistle Reverse, and Diggersby. As that's the rare? Yeah, as our rare, Diggersby. Okay. Last pack of the video. Another Phantom Forces. Hopefully doesn't have the same card order and the same cards as our previous pack. That's crazy. I think I will never forget that ever. Okay. Oh, here you go, guys. You can have this card in case you guys play the online trading card game. There we go. Okay. There we go. All right. Fletchling. Roggenrola, Pumpkaboo, Joltik, Karrablast, Gengar Spirit Link, Fearow, Steel Shelter, a reverse Diggersby, that's nice. And that rare? Yeah, that's rare. So we're going to get another rare card, and our rare card is a Galvantula. Nice. Okay, guys, that's what I have there. And pulling this Lucario EX is nice, since I have the Mega Lucario EX. So having the regular one is just as great. Alright, guys, I'll see you later.